all, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see about work from home data entry jobs and also internships. So this is actually applicable for a lot of people out there, especially for housewives, students, and also if you are doing some other things, if you are working in some other firms and if you are interested in part-time earnings, also for students, if you are interested in part-time earnings, this video is going to be useful for all those candidates. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So today we are going to see some of the data entry job updates from Internshala site. So the first post that we are going to see is Remote Junior Data Entry Associate. This is actually a work from home job and it is a data entry associate position. So you are going to work as a data entry associate and the salary they are offering is 5.1 to 6.1 lakh per annum. The last day to apply here is 14th of October is the last day, and this is a remote job, means it is a work from home job. You can see the details of the company here and also you can see the skills required. So they are only asking for some basic skills, MS Office, MS Word, MS PowerPoint. Also, who can apply? Let's move on to the eligibility criteria. Should have the previous experience in data entry or other fields. Okay, they are not asking for any years of experience. If you have done some data entry related jobs, then you will get a preference. Otherwise, also you can apply. Excellent typing skills, strong organizational skills, should be deadline oriented, detail oriented, able to prepare source data from computer entry by compiling and sorting information. Only basic things they have given as a eligibility criteria. The salary is 5.1 to 6.1 lakh per annum, and also they have given the dividend of that is the how the salary is going to be divided. That is what is the division. Okay, everything they have given in detail. This is going to be a 5 days a week job and there is 3 openings. Okay, so if you are interested in this job, you can apply. The last date is 14th of October. Okay, other than this, there's actually a lot of internships, that is a lot of part-time jobs present here, and there is a lot of internships also you can find in this site, which is called Internshala. If you are interested in data entry jobs, just give the category as data entry and then you can see the details. There is totally 51 data entry internships, and when you scroll down you can see that there is part-time allowed and some internship is also giving a job offer, internship with job offer. See here, the stipend that you are going to get is 10,000 and internship with job offer means after doing this internship you can actually join the company as a full-time employee. Okay, provided that during this internship period or during this 3 months you will work actively. Okay, so here let's just see the details of this company. So this is actually a data entry internship and the location is Bangalore. Duration is 3 months. Stipend is 10,000 per month. Last date is 13th of October is the last day to apply. The company name is StartPay Commerce Private Limited. You can see the details of the company also here. So anyway, even though they have given the company details here, I would suggest you to just Google about the company before you are going to apply here. And if the company is asking any sort of deposit or something, please don't give. Okay, they have actually given here, please don't pay any charges or any fees because Internshala doesn't take any fees for recruitment process or hiring process. So please don't give any deposit, not only here, but for any other companies also. Okay. So the stipend they are offering is 10,000 per month. Again, the skills required is MS Office, MS Word, MS Excel. And this is actually an excellent opportunity for housewives or women who is interested in restarting their career. Okay. They have given the dates for joining and everything. Okay. So only basic things they are asking. So if you are a student, this is actually a very good opportunity, especially if you are looking for a part-time job. So other than this, there's actually a lot of other internships also present in this site. So, do you feel trapped in your first job? And are you interested in going for a job switch? Or if you are interested in having a new job, then Relevel is actually a best platform for you. For those candidates who are freshers and also for persons who are interested in having a job switch, Relevel is actually a very good platform and it is a free of cost venture. So here you can actually find your dream job or your dream companies. The companies like Urban Company, Upgrad, Meesho, Razorpay, these companies hire through this platform which is called Relevel, and also you can find your dream package up to 15 lakhs per annum. So the process here, what you have to do to get a job is quite simple. What you have to do is you have to register here completely free of cost, and then you have to book a test slot. After booking the test slot, you have to record a video resume of yourself. In this video resume, you'll be actually talking about your skills, your background, everything. And then after that, you have to give a test. And if you get a good score in the test, you will actually be hired by these good companies and you will get to work with your dream company. So you don't have to bother about going to the various company sites and applying multiple times. You can actually use this free of cost platform for finding your dream job. Okay, so I'll be putting this link in description. Please make use of it, especially for freshers and also for persons who are interested in having a job switch. Okay, also if you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. Please do check out the link. I'll be putting in description. So there is actually a lot of data entry jobs present in Internshala site. That is, data entry internships are present. A lot of them are offering part-time and many of them is offering job also. That is internship plus job offer. You can see the details here. Now, if you're only interested in work from home jobs, then just turn on this filter which is called work from home. I'm going to turn on that filter. Now you can see only work from home data entry jobs. Okay, totally 23 openings they have listed out. You can see these work from home data entry jobs. You can get a stipend 2,000 to 3,000 per month. On top of that, you'll be getting a recommendation letter. Also, you will be getting a certificate of completion. Okay. See here, part-time is allowed, internship. The duration is 2 weeks and it is an unpaid one. Okay. You'll be getting the certificate only here. You don't have to go for the unpaid option because a lot of paid options are available. Okay. See the next one, which is from Blue Planet, data verification. The stipend which they are offering is 5,000 per month. Internship and part-time is allowed. The last date is 30th of October. Just like this, you can actually find a lot of other options. See, 7,000 per month plus incentives. Jambore Education Private Limited. Okay. Like this, you can actually find a lot of internships. See, up to 20,000 per month, this company is offering. Market research is the area of job. Again, this data entry related only. 2 months is a duration. Last date is 7th of October. Okay. So you can actually see a lot of work from home data entry jobs here. If you are interested, you can definitely check out the link which I'll be putting in description and you can apply for it. Okay. For applying for the full-time jobs, what you have to do is you have to just see the fresher jobs here. You can actually see fresher jobs. Here you can find the full-time jobs, and if you are only interested in part-time earnings or part-time jobs or internships, then you can see here. You can actually find a lot of part-time jobs here. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. A lot of people was actually asking me about this part-time data entry jobs, part-time incomes. There is a lot of comments was actually coming. So I'm really hoping that you found this video useful. If yes, please make sure you like the video. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.